Again, they haven't started this side of the roof. We had an inspector for Trimco come out, and I think the only spot that got approved for dry rot work is in that corner I showed you guys earlier. So that's what we're pretty much doing there. Looks like they're going to be able to get about half this roof cover boarded tonight, along with the TPA 45 mil system by Trimco. So boys are cooking. It's a 210 square project with not including the walls. So yeah, they're doing about 110 squares starting tonight. So yeah. Show you guys some of this heavy equipment we got here. Shout out to Roofmaster.